There she is. So you have to say hi.
Hello.
See how pretty she is?
Oh, thank you. Ready for a new you.
A new me. Oh yeah, this is the look. I look hot. Ugh.
I'm going to use bleach on these days so I can pull it dark as light as I can get it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to tone it down and get that done afterwards. I'm going to mix it all up good.
Okay.
And we're going to have some fun.
Yay! Yeah, so now I gotta go to the dentist and get this fixed. It's ridiculous. It hurts too. Can't really drink that much, you know? Because it hurts. All I was doing was taking a sip of coffee and the mug hit it and it just chipped.
Oh, sounds like your tooth might be a little loose there.
I'm like, I'm only 28 years old. What the heck is going on here? The dog, I got bit by the dog when I was only 7, so.
What kind of dog was it?
German Shepherd.
Full grown or still a pup?
Full grown, still terrified of them to this day. Any other dog? Pit bulls, I like, but I don't like German Shepherds.
I don't like horses.
You don't like horses? Really?
The Kentucky Horse Farm. I took my girls on vacation one time and I got bucked off with a horse. And it started raining and storming, so the horse went crazy. They must have been riding that horse all day. He was not happy with the horse. He let me know it right away.
Oh boy.
And we got it on video. It was hilarious. The way he acted and the way that I acted. It was not a good experience.
Wow. Yeah, the house we used to live in, there was a horse farm right behind it. And it was like, there was like a little fence guarding them, but they would come up so close to us that you can touch them and feed them. So we used to feed them right from our backyard. There was like 3 of them.
My girls love horses. I'm just not crazy about them.
I like them.
Start with the back and then move forward.
A lot of foil.
Oh yeah. In between your foils, I'm going to put this shrimp, okay?
Okay. You know what you're doing. I'm just here to sit and film. Okay. This is the before. I will show you the after in a little while.